Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I got my final birthday baby and we have a special box opening today, and she is a sold out limited edition, so I am so excited for this one. So I'm going to get you to a better angle of the box so that you could share the fun with me. Okay, so here is our box and we have our baby. It looks like we got a cute little teddy bear here. Aw, is that so cute? Oh my gosh, you know, it kind of looks like a Care Bear. This is really cute. I love it. And then we have these cute little shoes. The other one is right here. Aren't those absolutely adorable? So these are shoes for the doll to wear. And then we have some diapers. She put a lot of nice things in here. And what's so funny is I got this doll from eBay. And little did I know that she's actually one of my subscribers. Her name is A Moment in Time. She says she doesn't do any videos, but I just want to still give her a shout out. So I want to thank you so much, A Moment in Time, for sending this to me. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to meet this baby. Okay, so we also have some extra goodies in here. This is a cloth diaper. Oh, that's very nice. It's actually very almost like silky. It's really pretty. It's got flowers on it, all kinds of stuff. And the goodies keep coming. Wow, she did an amazing job with this box opening. Oh my gosh, Finley, you're gonna love this. Look, it's Peppa Pig. So my friend from Finley and Friends, she loves Peppa Pig. And it says, follow your dreams. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. And then she sent these adorable little pants that match. So our baby looks like she's going to be a big girl. I cannot wait to see her. And we have more goodies. Oh wow, she wrapped it so nice in tissue paper. Wow. I'm going to have to really give her a great kudos for being an awesome seller. And also her prices are really good too for the babies that she has. But I'm hoping that this one looks just like the pictures, and I cannot wait to see her. So this is another cute little onesie. It's a long sleeve, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It says, love to sparkle. And we have another outfit, it looks like. Oh my goodness, she really gave a lot of outfits. This is really awesome. Thank you so much. And this little cute dress, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at it, almost looks like a vintage. And it's long sleeves, it's very pretty. Wow. And my husband says I already have too many doll clothes, but a little bit more won't hurt, right? And then we have these cute little pants. And then we have some hair accessories. These are really cute. We got a little headband here. And some bows. There's like 4 different bows in here. That's so cute. I know you guys, the anticipation is killing me too. I can't wait to see this doll. I'm so excited. And we've been having a storm here in Texas. So it's like an ice storm. So maybe I'll choose something like that for her name, just because she was delivered during the ice storm. Let's see what we have in here. Wow, these outfits are so beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. So this is like a romper, and it is absolutely adorable. It's got like a little bow on it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so cute. I'm getting spoiled with the outfits here. And then this one, it says, love on it makes me smile. So cute. And we still got more goodies coming. And we have 2 magnetic pacifiers. So we got this one right here. Wow, that's really pretty. Beautiful. And then this one right here. It's like a little zebra on it. And then we have a pacifier clip. And we have a baby powder wafer air freshener. And then we have another magnetic pacifier. Those are so pretty. I love these pacifiers. Wow. There's so many goodies in this box, I cannot believe it. And there's still more coming. Oh my goodness, I love how she packaged it in these little bags and the tissue paper. It's just like a special, super special box opening. But these cute little frilly socks are adorable. Oh, and then we got these other cute little cat socks. They're so sweet. And we got more. Alright. And we got these cute little pants. They're like almost, they're very silky. Very soft. And a matching shirt. So cute. And then we have some confetti here. I guess this is just like, oh, you know what? It's an air freshener. It smells so good. They're like little, it's like little air freshener beads. But oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna have to keep that in my room. And then we still have another thing here. Alright, and we got another outfit here. Isn't that cute? It's a little onesie with a little ballerina bear. And a pair of pants. It's going to be hard to choose an outfit because, oh my goodness, there's like so many in here. This is amazing. Okay, so I think we got to all the outfits. And here is the birth certificate. I am not going to show it to you yet because I want it to be a surprise of which doll I got. Like I said, she is a sold out limited edition. So we will go ahead and take her out of the box. Okay, so I went ahead and I got our baby out of the box. So she's wrapped in these nice blankets. These blankets are beautiful. And she has a diaper on her head. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap her. Oh my goodness, she is huge. Look at her. She is a big baby. Oh my god, I can't wait to see her. But here, I'll let you look at her little hands. Wow, they are painted so nicely. She's got little wrinkles and everything. Wow. Very, very nice. And she's got these cute little shoes on. She is so sweet. And she has a cloth body and some blue jeans on. So I know you all are ready to see the face of this baby. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. This is my first time seeing her too, so I am so excited. Oh my goodness, would you look at her? Oh, look. This is the Frida. She is absolutely beautiful. Look at her eyes. So she's got the beautiful glass eyes, and her hair is real human hair, rooted beautifully. And she is a sold out limited edition. The seller, she didn't have the COA, but she does have the birth certificate that when she was born. And it says they certify that Frida was born, she was born on the 12th day of July in 2019 at 6:23 a.m. and she weighs 6 pounds 4 ounces. Yeah, so she is a big baby. She's quite heavy, but oh my god, she is so cute. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to get her up so you can get a closer look at her. Oh my goodness, she is so beautiful. So her eyes are blue. They're beautiful blue. And her hair, I thought it was brown in the pictures, but it's more like it's almost like the color of my hair, or like a strawberry blonde. But oh my goodness, her hair, it's mono rooted and it's amazing. Like the rooting is just incredible, and she's got real human hair. Oh my goodness, she is so sweet, and I love the expression on her face. I just think she's got the cutest little facial expression. So I already have my Fritzy, and I named her Kinsley. So I was thinking of naming her Presley, but you let me know, and I'm thinking maybe for the middle name, since we're having the freezing rain right now, maybe Presley Rain. But you let me know in the comments what you think I should name her. But she's a huge baby, She is so, so, so cute. And here she is. So let me know in the comments if you like my name suggestion or if you have a better name for her. But oh my goodness, she is definitely a favorite, and I think she is absolutely beautiful. So stay tuned and we'll have more fun videos coming your way. If you're in Texas, the Hill Country Doll Show is coming up on February 11th. I will be there, and make sure to come and stop by. If you see me, say hello, because there's going to be so many awesome dolls there. And we want to thank you so much for watching. Bye!